Completing your timesheet. All of an employee's time must be accounted for on the timesheet. In normal circumstances, the employee should enter no less and no more than the hours they are expected to work for that week. The total hours entered may be comprised of a variety of attendance types. Attendance hours non-project, attendance hours project assignment, and absence hours. This video will teach you how to add attendance hours and absence hours to your timesheet and send your timesheet to your manager. From the HRIS homepage, click on Record Times in the My Timesheet tile. Select the week from the calendar overview for which you need to record your time. The time assignments section will show the week that you have selected. The hours that you need to record are shown under the dates in the time assignments bar. If you work on a project, you need to record your time against the relevant WBS element. The project manager or grant accountant will inform HR that you are allowed to book time to that project, and HR will add the WBS element to your work list. To book time to a project, click Maintain Time Assignment. Click on the suggested items. Click on Work List, and the projects that you are assigned to will appear in the list. Select the project that you've worked on that week and click OK. A new line is created with the WBS element allocated. Select attendance hours and enter the hours that you've spent working on that project in that week. You can put a minimum of 1 hour, but you can go up in half-hour periods. So you can put 1.5. Once you've completed the hours you've spent on that project in that week, click Save. The system informs you that your data has been saved, and each entry is assigned a colour code to show the status of that entry. In this case, it shows Not Released, as the timesheet has not been completed and we have not released it to the manager for approval. You need to record an entry on your timesheet for all of your working hours, but not all time is spent working on projects. When you record time that is not charged to projects, you will complete attendance hours. To do this, click on Maintain Time Assignment and add an empty row. Click OK, and a new row is added to the time assignment section. If you have previously added a WBS element, you may need to remove this code from the WBS element field. Select attendance hours in the attendance absence type and enter the hours that you worked not on projects. And click Save. If you are absent from work, this needs to be recorded on your timesheet regardless of whether the leave is paid or unpaid. Public holidays are automatically integrated from the calendar. Pre-booked leave, approved through the absence management module, will also synchronize to the timesheet. If there is a leave that is not pre-booked, for example sickness, this needs to be recorded directly on the timesheet. To do this, click on Maintain Time Assignment and add an empty row. A new row will be added in your Time Assignments section. Select the relevant absence from the drop-down list in the Attendance Absence Type field. In this example, we will add sickness hours. The employee was sick on the Friday, so they complete the total target hours for that day and click Save. Once you have completed the target hours on your timesheet, you need to send your timesheet to your manager by pressing Release directly. You'll get a warning message asking you to confirm that you want to release the data. Click OK to submit or Cancel to return to your timesheet. If you click OK, the timesheet will be released to the manager and all of the timesheet entries will show as complete. Your timesheet has now been released to your manager for approval or rejection of the time that you've entered.